How to check your Netflix password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can check your Netflix account's password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, even if you are logged into your Netflix application, you can't check your password. It's just like you're asking that you want to check your ATM pin when nobody is going to tell you about it. So it's the thing that Netflix doesn't allow you to view your current password even if you are logged in. Of course, you can choose to reset it if you don't remember it. But there is still one thing that is that if you're lucky, sometimes you might have saved the password to your Google Chrome browser or on a Safari browser. So in that case, you can just try to visit netflix.com. Now in my case, if I have saved it, first of all, I'll sign out of Netflix here. If I have happened to save it, what I will do is I'll just tap the sign in button from here. Then I'll be able to see a list of any sorts of email or anything that I have saved. Then I can tap on use password. Then I can simply choose a saved password, and from the saved password, if I want to know what my password is, I can tap the I button here to be able to view that password. So it just really also depends whether you have saved or not, but this only works if you happen to save it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.